Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna have to trust the process with this one. Y'all, this is my first time, so not too much on me, not too much. I just burned myself. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Itzz.harmo back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. This video I'll be doing my hair for back to school. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, so do lemonade braids with me. I already blow dried my hair. Y'all know the deal. Oh bad. My bad, y'all. This is the blow dry brush I use. Yeah, get you right every time. Yeah, it's Revlon, by the way. But my hair's blow dry. I'm gonna part it off camera, and I'm back with my hair pre-parted. And whenever we start, we start. So today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, then I got Sunday. Sunday I'm supposed to go see the Barbie movie, so hopefully I can finish my hair before I go see the Barbie movie. If I can't, I'm gonna throw a hat on and thug it out. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, so I start off with 3 sections. I had the swoop section, the side section, and the back section. Yeah, I separated with scrunchies. Yeah, y'all see it was a little tangled. So now I'm gonna start on my individual section. I part like a side piece of my hair so I can have individual braids, which make a lemonade braids lay better. Hopefully, you see my fingers are crossed. I use Shiny Gem Expression hair. It was pre-stretch, color 2. Then I started braiding. I did knotless. You could do the rubber band method or box. It's really up to you. I did knotless because I feel like knotless lay flatter. This is how I do it. I put gel on it, comb it out, grab 3 sections of my hair. Then I grabbed a small piece of weave that I'm going to use to create the stitcher part of my braid. This is not a tutorial, but this is how I braid knotless. I try to grab it like 2 sections and I start braiding normally. I try to keep a firm grip so the weave doesn't slip before I start braiding. After I go around once, I add the next piece of hair, so I have a total of 3 strands of weave, and I begin braiding again. I like to feed in from the back so it looks seamless and don't look all over the place. And I just keep braiding until I feel like I need to add another strand for length. If something fell off, so I say try your hardest to pay attention so you won't grab hair that shouldn't belong in the braid that you're working on. Try to get the most neat look you can. See, now I'm adding that 3rd piece. It's for thickness and length. This will make my braid look consistent, and I try my hardest to match them to the other braids. So I'm doing Boho lemonade braids. These are the curls I'm using. They're synthetic, beach wave, free tress, 18 inches. They maintain well with the mousse. So if you want to go my way, just use synthetic curls and keep some mousse on deck, so your curls won't be looking raggedy throughout the time. So I feed in the curls just like I feed in braiding hair. The only difference is after I braid the curls in to the length I like, I pull out the curls so it can be seen, like so. Period. I'm already feeling myself. So these are the finished ones. I only did 2 rows of individuals. I didn't want to do too many. So I started on the back with the slanted part. Now I want to start scalp braiding. I didn't want to try to stitch braid because I feel like it was going to add too much stress on me. So I just did regular feeding braids. I try to start with the smallest possible pieces of hair so I can make like a nice cornrow. And I just started braiding. I'm now grabbing a small piece of hair for me to add in so I can make my braid look thick throughout. While I scalp braid and feed in, I just put the hair under my hair and start braiding normally. I added another piece of hair so I can have 3 strands of weave while braiding. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it. See, on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't. While y'all braiding, try to pull the hair down because I did get a little knot. So I had to fix that. Y'all want to see a surprise? Here it comes. Boom. So this is how my back looks so far. This is me adding in the curls. So yes, I'm adding the curls throughout my hair, top and bottom, so I can have like a fluffy curly look. I want to have like a very exaggerated curls. So this is what I mean by pulling the curls out to the desired length. And I started braiding down. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it. Y'all, it's the next day. I've been doing stuff all day. I haven't even got a chance to do my hair. It's like 8 o'clock now. But I realized that last braid I did for y'all was wrong. I was supposed to connect it to this side. It was like that section right there. I had to connect to this section. And it's how it looked. It's a part. So I'm gonna do this off camera because I have to position my hands and I have to arch around these braids. So I need to be in the mirror. Really, what I learned so far, it's just based off your head shape. You really can't go based off of a set structure that somebody. I'm trying to watch like videos of people doing it. You gonna have to figure it out yourself. it's like scalp braiding, but like parts going to one side. This is the only thing that you really could follow, doing the individual braids on the side. So I'll be back when majority of this part is done. Yeah, so this video won't be extra long. You feel me? Okay, I'll be back. Just give me like, you know, a couple seconds. It'll be seconds for y'all, but for me, y'all know the rule. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna trust the process with this one. It's like, it's not coming out how I really want it to. So I'm getting worried because it's my back to school hairstyle. Because I gotta take these out in like a week or 2 for my senior pick. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just do my own hair. Save money. Because I gotta take it right out, you know. And I already had hair out. So I'm getting sad. But this how it looks so far. Yeah, that's how it looks so far. I'm gonna add in curls still. If it all fails, I'm gonna just add a whole bunch of curls and cover up my mistakes with curls. Then this piece of hair, I missed it when I was braiding it. Well, my mom told me to cut it. I don't know about that. I'm getting sleepy again. I can't even lie. But now it's just this section left. I should be done, so I'll be back on my last braid because I feel like this video already long enough. Thank y'all for watching the process with me thus far. If you're a braider, you know how to do hair, comment down below some tips that I can use if I try to do this hairstyle again. But y'all, this is my first time, so not too much on me, not too much.
it. To us. So we are coming in with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today.
Gang, 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 gang. I'm just playing. Y'all in the bathroom, you know what it means. It's time to dip my ends and mousse my hair. But first, I'm gonna spray spritz. Yeah. While my water is boiling, I'm prepping my hair. Then I got the mousse. It says it's for curls. So I'm putting that on the base of my braids first. Then I'm gonna tie it down. And I'm gonna mousse my curls for real. After I dip my ends.
We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man. Fuck that.
So I'm using flexi rods to curl my ends. I bend it in half and then I twist on one side and then I bend it. That's how I get the curls I want. Now I'm dipping my curls in the boiling water, trying to get my ends and my braids as well. Ouch! I just burned myself. Ouch. Then that bottle tried to fall on my leg, like, be for real. It's trying to hurt. Ah! I keep burning myself. Why is water too hot? I don't understand. It trying to hurt. It made me mad. But how the easiest part turn the most painful part. So I decided to curl them because I was going to just straighten them. Hopefully the curls come out right. You're supposed to let them dry real good so you can get good curls. Because when you rush the process, your curls don't come out right. I'm going to show y'all the final look when I get cute or whatever. I'm going to go see the Barbie movie today with my girls. So yeah, y'all go see the final look in a few seconds. Just give me a moment. But I really want to show y'all me putting the mousse on the curls. I think it's gonna look so good. Oh yeah, I think it's dry now. I'm very impatient right now. I'm gonna cut that. Yeah, I can pop it probably. I'll do it off camera. This one, it's not that wet. Ooh. Wait, come like this, bro. I'm gonna unclip the curls. I put the curls up because I didn't want to dip them or nothing. Yeah. So now, I'm gonna zoom out. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Mix it up. Yeah, I love mousse. I might add curls too. So we're just gonna see. We're gonna mousse it out. Ooh. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. I'm not gonna love these. This is how it looks so far. That's the end. It blended good. Yeah. So I'm gonna be back looking cute as ever. Yeah. Alright, y'all girl is back. Like I said, we go to the Barbie movie. Don't mind my bed. Yeah, don't mind my bed. But yeah, this is the hair. I got my nails done. Back to school. My school day is August 2nd. And it's Sunday, so like I could cry right now. Yeah, so these the curls. I keep pulling this one out purposely because I like this. I'm gonna show y'all 360, not too much. As I started going, I realized I didn't have to use as much hair as I did. So next time I use less hair. Yeah. This the length. It's like waist length. Ouch. Waist length basically. Yeah, it's nothing major. Comment down below how I did. Comment down below any hairstyles you think I should attempt to try to do. Yeah. Alright, 1 through 10 how I did. This is my first time doing lemonade braids. This is my back to school hairstyle, my back to school nails. Next is lashes. Get those done. I'm gonna do those soon. I'm gonna do my lashes soon. That may or may not be in the video coming up. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know if y'all enjoy videos like this. I'll do my hair more often for y'all, girl. I'll do my hair more often for y'all, period. But yeah, and I'm out. Bye guys.